Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making some delicious Kerala special crab roast. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. To make this recipe, here I have taken 1 kg of crab. And I'm also showing you how easily you can clean this crab without using any knife. So just take one crab, slowly twist the legs and remove it. After removing all the legs, it's time to remove the shell. Just open up the flap skin which is attached to the shell and slowly apply some pressure and pull it. As you could see, the shell came out so easily. Now remove all the dirt from inside. Now you have to wash these crab pieces in running water really well. And in the legs also I am removing the part which has no meat inside. Take the cleaned crab pieces into a pan, add some salt, some turmeric powder, give it a mix, close the lid and cook it. You don't have to add any water. When it gets heated up, it will release water from that. When the crab gets cooked only with that water, it enhances the flavor. After cooking the crab, take it out and in the same pan add some coconut oil, some mustard seeds. Once it gets splattered, add some sliced onions, green chili and curry leaves. Saute it till it becomes translucent. Add some ginger and garlic paste, saute it well. Now let's add the spice powders like chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala and some pepper powder. Saute it well. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Saute it. Add some water in between. Cover it and cook the tomatoes. Add some salt for the masalas and cook it. Once the tomatoes gets mushy and the masala is ready, add the cooked crab into it. Mix it really well. Close the pan and cook it for some time so all the masalas will get nicely absorbed into the crab. Now the delicious crab roast is ready. Finally garnish it with some curry leaves. You can have this with rice, chapati or tapioca. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.